A glimpse of Boris Johnson after leaving the hospital, reunited with his pregnant fiancée, now recuperating at the Prime Minister's country residence, the UK's equivalent of Camp David. But first, a video message unlike any seen from a British political leader. Doctors and nurses saved my life, he says.
It's hard to find words to express my debt.
The Prime Minister particularly praising Jenny and Luis from New Zealand and Portugal, who cared for him overnight when he says it could have gone either way.
And the reason in the end my body did start to get enough oxygen was because for every second of the night, they were watching.
This morning, their proud families say they were just doing their job. They and thousands like them in Britain's National Health Service will help us beat coronavirus, Boris Johnson said.
Our NHS is the beating heart of this country. It is the best of this country. It is unconquerable. It is powered by love.
This week, the number of global cases will surge past 2 million. In Asia, there are fears of a second wave, with small numbers of fresh cases in China, Singapore and Japan. But some European countries are slowly opening up this morning. In hard-hit Spain today, some non-essential staff can go back to work. But coronavirus cases now spiking in Russia, where President Putin has been less visible than usual, working remotely while Moscow is shut down. Meanwhile, President Macron of France set to speak to his country later today, Savannah. Reports say that he may extend the lockdown there until May. Savannah?
All right, Keir Simmons in London for us. Thank you.